In this video, let me show you how to use Letterboxd list to plan a movie marathon. So you can use the Letterboxd list to plan a movie marathon, which allows you to curate a theme, check total runtimes, order the films by the best flow, and a few other settings. Now, in order to create your list, you simply need to head over to your profile, head over to list, and then simply tap on the plus icon. Now you can name this list whatever you want based on the current theme that you're trying to go for. Now, once you name the theme, you can also add in descriptions. The descriptions could be adding in details such as start time, snacks, or house rules, depending upon whatever information that you want to make other people know the exact rules, and also entries. Now, this is going to be the important part where you add in entries. So you simply tap on it and then add in whatever movies that you want to add in. So you can add in descriptions here as well. If you want, you can also add in spoilers. If that is something that you want, tap on the tick mark, and the movie will be added inside of the entries. You can add in multiple movies if you want by simply following the same process. Now, once you added in everything that you need, you can simply make it public so that anyone can join it. Or if you want to make it with your friends only, you can tap on anyone with the shared link or friends with this shared link, depending upon what you want. And you can simply tap on the tick mark on the top right. And there you go. Using this exact process, you'd be able to use Letterboxd list to plan a movie marathon. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.